Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create email filters in Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Filters can automatically organize incoming messages, move emails into folders, or apply specific actions based on rules you create. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and select the email account where you want to create a filter. Find the Message Filter section and choose the option to create a new filter. Give the filter a clear name so you can recognize its purpose later. Next, choose the conditions that Thunderbird should look for. For example, you can filter messages based on the sender, subject line, keywords, or other email details. After choosing the condition, select the action you want Thunderbird to perform. You might move matching messages to a specific folder, mark them as read, add a tag, or perform another available action. Once your conditions and actions are ready, save the filter. Thunderbird can now apply the rule to incoming messages that match your settings. You can also run filters manually on existing messages, depending on the options available in your Thunderbird version. If a filter doesn't work as expected, review the conditions carefully. Sometimes a small change to the sender or subject rule can make a big difference, and that's how to create email filters in Mozilla Thunderbird. With the right rules, you can automatically organize your inbox and spend less time sorting messages manually. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.